We are dedicated to bringing the latest solution. Prophet Noah is bringing you this for free.
Do you have an online or an offline shop, yet you struggle with customers? You struggle with sales, no single sale from January to December, no single sale, no customer coming to ask you. You have turned your shop into a room where you sleep from morning till night. Listen, after you do this particular work that I'm going to tell you to do, you're coming back with testimonies. Yes, you're coming back with testimonies. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're listening to my voice from. As you all know, my name is Prophet Noah Emeko from Solution Arena. I'm here with this serious one, sales booster or business booster. Yes, sales or business booster. I'll be very short and quick here. Now, before I go on, if you know you have not subscribed to this channel, please do us well by sub. It won't cut anything from your body. Yes, it will not take anything from your body. If you know you have not subscribed and you are watching our video, please do us well by subscribing. And also, I want to thank our returning subscribers. God will bless you guys. Yes, God will bless you guys real good. Yes. Also, give us a thumbs up and share our content with families and friends. And also, I'll be dropping our Telegram group link in the description box below, where you can join our Telegram group. And you see, in our Telegram group we share free spiritual works. It's 100% free. Yeah, 100%. Nobody is charging anything. It's 100% free. So please join up and you will not regret joining us. Now back to the purpose why we're here. A business or sale booster. Yeah, you need 4 items. 1, a handful of crayfish. Yes, handful of crayfish. 2, you need 7 cubes of sugar. 7 cubes of sugar. 3, you will need tablespoonful of pure honey. Please, pure honey. I repeat, pure honey. And last but not the least, you need a bottle of Fanta. Yes, a bottle of Fanta. Now what you do is this: you mix the crayfish, you grind it into powder and put inside the Fanta. Let's say you have a bowl and pour everything into the bowl. You put the 7 cubes of sugar inside, you put your honey inside, you grind the crayfish and put inside. Then you pray with Psalm 4. Yes, Psalm 4. You pray and you tell God that you need your business to grow. You pray with it and you shake it very well. Every morning before you start your business, before you start your work, you take a little, you put into that what's it called? You put it into your bathing water. Yes, you put it just a little. You put into your bathing water and you bathe. When you finish bathing, do not towel dry your body and make sure that while you bathe, you are bathing with your bare feet on the floor. Yes, do not put on slippers, please. Do not put on slippers. Now, when you finish bathing, do not towel dry your body. Try to do this every Monday morning. Yes, Monday morning. Please do this Monday morning and come back with your testimonies. God bless you. I promise that this video won't be too long, and you see, we're closing right now. Have a blessed week and God bless you as you practice this. Please come back with your testimonies. Shalom.